guys, and welcome back to Beauty Fortified. My name is Sue. If you're new here, welcome. I make hair care, skincare and makeup videos for the more mature women, and sometimes I do product reviews. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Bioderma Micellar Water and the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Water. Now, I have been using the Garnier for many years now and I have been very happy with it. But I was very curious to find out more about the Bioderma version because Bioderma invented micellar water back in 1991. And since then, there have been many imitations. So I was really curious just to find out if I was missing anything. You know, maybe the Bioderma did something incredible that the Garnier didn't do. Now, the Bioderma is quite a lot more expensive, so it's 299 Rand and you get 500 ml, so it works out to about 60 cents a ml. And the Garnier is 89 Rand for 400 ml, so it works out to about 22 cents a ml. So this one is a third of the price of this one. Now, both of these are French brands. Garnier is owned by L'Oreal and Bioderma is a brand which specializes in dermatology. So I did a little bit of research on their website, and not surprisingly, what came up on the Bioderma website was a lot about the technology of micellar water. And I'm just going to read from my notes here. Micellar water is a complex structure composed of gentle non-ionic surfactants called micelles. And micelles have two characteristics. So they've got a hydrophilic head that's water soluble, and a lipophilic tail that attracts only materials that are incompatible with water. So these two things work together to remove makeup and oils from your skin. Now, just looking at the Inky lists of both the products, I could only find one commonality, and that is that they both contain water. Now, I'm not a dermatologist, I'm not a scientist, but the rest of the ingredients were very complex names and I couldn't really find a commonality between them. So I thought that that was quite interesting. So Bioderma do go into the technology and they do claim that theirs is the best, obviously. And in fact, they go as far as to say that one of these products sells every 3 minutes. So that's quite a claim to make. So with one being 3 times the price of the other, I wanted to put them to the test and find out if the Bioderma was really all that. So I'm just going to put in a little insert here of how I use them to remove my eye makeup. So you just put a little bit of each on a cotton round, and then I hold the cotton up to my eyes for about 40 seconds, and then I just kind of very gently rub my eyes to get off any of the residual makeup. And you would do this as well if you had foundation on. You could obviously use this all over your face. That's what these are meant for. And they both claim that there is no need to rinse. Now, I don't use these as my first defense in my cleansing routine. As I say, I only use them to take off makeup. But you can see from the results that they both worked exactly the same. Now, I have been using them both side by side for about 2 or 3 weeks now, and I have found this to be the case time after time. So I guess the question is, why would you spend the $2.99 when you can get a very similar product for 89 Rand? Personally, I'm going to stick with the Garnier. I have been very happy with it for the longest time, and it is, after all, 1/3 of the price of Bioderma. So guys, let me know in the comments below if you've used either of these products and if you found one to be miles ahead of the other in terms of performance. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and I will see you next time. Ciao, ciao.